everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to create toggle in Power BI. So before starting we will see what toggle is. A toggle is a type of interactive control that allows user to switch between different views, measures or visualizations in report or dashboard. And toggles are used when we want user to dynamically interact with report or dashboard. So without any further delay, let's start creating the toggle. Here I already added two visuals. Left one is showing medication breakdown by hospital and right one is showing medication breakdown by medical condition. Also, I had added images for toggle button. So for creating toggle button, first we need to create a bookmark. For creating a bookmark, just click on view tab and select bookmarks. And in bookmark pane, we have to add our bookmark by just simply clicking on add button, and see our bookmark has created. Now we will rename this by just to rename this, just click on three dots and select rename, and we will rename this as a hospital and press enter. Now we will add another bookmark and we will rename this as a condition. Now to hide or unhide visuals in our bookmark, we have to click on selection option in view tab, and it will list on all the selection options that our dashboard contains. So for hospital bookmark, we will keep this visual and this toggle button, and we will hide rest of the visuals. To hide visuals, just click on this I button and visuals will be hidden from the bookmarks. And now for hospital, we have to hide this one. Just select this, or we can directly select from here and just click on I button and see our visual is hidden. Now we will hide this toggle image also, and just simply click on again on I button, and now just select hospital and go click on these three dots and select update option. Next, for condition bookmark, we will keep right visual and this toggle button image, and we will hide rest of them, and just select this visual and click on this I button and select this image and click on this I button. Now we will update our condition bookmark. Now to switch between visual, we have to add action to our toggle button image. For this, just select the image, and in format image panel, just turn on action. And in a type, we will select bookmark, and in bookmark, we will select condition. Now we click on this and check what will happen. See, it's switching the visual, and we will do same for this toggle button image, and simply turn on the action, and in type we will select bookmark and we will select hospital. Now again, if we click on this, it will switch the visual, but it is not looking good. So for this we will do little formatting. Just bring visual to the middle and bring it down like this, and just click on button. And we will take our this for visual here and again bring it to the middle like this. Now it is looking little fine, and if we click on this, it's correctly changing the visual. Also, there are multiple ways to add a toggle button to the dashboard. Uh, First one I already demonstrated, and for second one, just click on insert tab and click on buttons, and in buttons select navigator option Here you will find a bookmark navigator. Just simply click on this and it will automatically add a navigation button based on your bookmarks. And if we click on condition button, see, it's changing the visual. So this is another method for adding a toggle button for our bookmarks. Also, we can do the formatting of this by simply select this and go to Format Navigator. Here, we will click on Grid Layout. Here, you will find different styles. Like by default, it is horizontally selected. You can select this vertical. Also, select as a grid. And you can use a grid orientation when there are multiple bookmarks. But here we have only two bookmarks, so we will select horizontal orientation only. So that's how you can create a toggle in Power BI using bookmarks, both with images and the built-in bookmark navigator. This is the great way to make your dashboard more interactive and user-friendly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like, share, or leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.